everybody, all animal and very beautiful animal. Wow, guys, very beautiful animal. Wow, all animal full mud. Wow, guys. Wow, friends. So let's put them all in our basket. This is a basket, very beautiful basket. Wow, friends, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow, very beautiful animal. Wow, oh, friends, full mud. Wow, very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Wow, oh, friends, what is this, guys? Wow, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Oh, friends, full mud. Wow, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, friends. So all friends come quickly. Very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow. Wow, friends, very clean water, very cool water. Wow, friends, so let's wash them and see which right there. Wow, this is a lion, very dangerous. Animal. Wow, guys. Oh, friends. What is this, friends? Wow, this is a dagger. Very dangerous animal. Very beautiful animal. Wow, guys. What is this, guys? Wow, this is a rhinoceros. Very beautiful animal. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think. Wow, this is a horse. Very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Wow, guys. What is this, guys? Wow, very clean. This is a leopard. Very dangerous animal. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a bear. Very beautiful. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a zebra. Very beautiful. Beautiful animal, very amazing. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a cow. Very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, this is a dog. Very beautiful animal, very amazing. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a giraffe.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it.
Very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is an elephant, very beautiful elephant, amazing. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a sheep, very beautiful. Sheep, this is a domestic animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a cat.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Camel, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is an arrow, very beautiful arrow. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, very clean. This is a gun. Very beautiful gun. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, very clean. This is a
Mom, it's literally
the tiger, very dangerous animal. Friends, all animal, very clean, very beautiful animal. Friends, today we seem to have got some good toys. Animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow.